Okay, so we've got the guitar body up on the bench now. Now, this particular guitar is a mahogany body with a spalted maple veneer on top. So the veneers themselves are really quite thin, so something to keep in mind when you're sanding. Now, the next thing we need to do is just check the neck fit. So I'll grab the neck. This is a maple neck, which is a very tight grain. The mahogany the body is built from is actually really open grain, so we'll need to grain fill that timber to get a nice flat finish, which we'll cover in a little while. And the first thing, just check that neck fit. The way you should do it is to put the heel in first and then push the neck in. It should be reasonably tight fit without being too hard to force in. You really don't want to just jam the guitar neck in like this, because we've got quite delicate edges here that can crack or chip away quite easily. So once you're happy with the neck fit and you know you're not going to run into any problems, the next thing to do is just check over the